Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about which banks use Venmo. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally answer it for you. But before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what Venmo is and why it's so popular. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for dinner, or just send someone some money. Venmo is also very easy to use. You just need to create an account and link your bank account or debit card. Then, you can start sending and receiving money right away. So, now that we know what Venmo is, let's get into the question of which banks use it. Which banks use Venmo? As of January 2025, the following banks use Venmo: Bank of America, Chase, Citibank, Wells Fargo, U.S. Bank, Capital One, PNC Bank, TD Bank, SunTrust Bank, Regions Bank, BB&T Bank, First Citizens Bank, Fifth Third Bank, Huntington Bank, M&T Bank, Navy Federal Credit Union, Alliant Credit Union, Axos Bank, Chime Bank, Discover Bank, Go Bank, Simple Bank, SoFi, Synchrony Bank, USAA, Web Bank, Wise, Yada Savings Bank. If your bank is not listed above, that doesn't mean that you can't use Venmo. You can still link your bank account or debit card to your Venmo account. However, you may not be able to use all of the features of the app. How to link your bank account to Venmo. If you want to link your bank account to your Venmo account, here's how to do it. Open the Venmo app. Tap on the Settings tab. Tap on Payment Methods. Tap on Add Bank. Enter your bank name, account number, and routing number. Tap on Submit. Once you have linked your bank account, you can start using Venmo to send and receive money. Benefits of using Venmo. There are many benefits to using Venmo. Here are a few of the most popular. It's easy to use. It's secure. It's free to use for most transactions. You can send and receive money from friends and family. You can use Venmo to pay for bills, groceries, and other expenses. You can use Venmo to donate to charity. You can use Venmo to buy and sell things online. Risks of using Venmo. There are also some risks associated with using Venmo. These risks include fraud, identity theft, privacy concerns. To help protect yourself from these risks, it's important to be aware of the following. Only use Venmo with people you trust. Be careful about sharing your personal information. Monitor your Venmo account for suspicious activity. Venmo is a great way to send and receive money. It's easy to use, secure, and free to use for most transactions. However, it's important to be aware of the risks associated with using Venmo before you start using it. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about which banks use Venmo. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.